Friends, let us discuss something important for ourselves. And today video which I am planning is focus on young people, students, the professional who have planned to become something big in life. So आज के दो important mantra I will be sharing with you. The first mantra is believe on ourselves and believe on the goal that I want to pursue in my life. This is very, very important. And second, which is correlated to the same idea, is acceptance to what I believe. It's not a half-hearted idea, but it is a full-hearted idea. What I believe, I have accepted it thoroughly. Many a time, parents keep saying, "Beta, get up in the morning." The students believe getting up may be helping me out, but then they do not accept thoroughly, and this becomes slowly a habit in future जिससे हमें लाइफ में बदलाव या अच्छाई नहीं दिखती है. So one we say acceptance and second we say believe on what we want to do. So two things are very, very important: belief and acceptance, and then things will be turning in the right direction, because once you believe and once you accept, if both these ideas are coming together, it will club and strengthen the goal that you want to become in future. First. Second very important point which I want to say today is 100% devotion to what you do. I may be planning, I may be preparing my project, I may be writing an article, I may be sharing some topic for the students, or I may be sharing some topic to the professionals. I am devoting my 100%. So devotion 100%, at the same time responsibility also 100%. If I fail, I am only responsible. If I do better, there are so many people who are sharing and contributing. Because of them, because of effort, the Almighty has supported, I will succeed. Jim Rohn said one of very important idea, that the success is not something which we pursue, but success is something which we attract. Attract by our plan, attract by our action, attract by what we do for what we achieve. Thank you.